guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my normal Friday videos because I have a lot to show you guys. There is someone out there that sent me a lot of stuff. I don't know if it's two someones or one someone. They're from two different companies. One is from Premier, the other is from Herner's. I don't know who, but I want to thank you so much. It's going to give me a lot of projects. The Premier box, I've kind of already I've opened both of them to see what they were because I didn't know. So the Premier box had 5 of these in it. And these 5 will go great with the 4 that Sharon Lois Purple sent me of a different color name. It was called Rubik's Cube, but it's the exact same colorway. Exact same. The other things that were in this big box was they sent me 5 of these. Five of the orange tones, 5 of the red tones of the new upside down gradient, and 5 of the blue tones. Now this is great. As soon as I opened the box and I saw them, I saw ideas out the wazoo. I already had ideas for the 4 puzzle yarn Rubik's Cube that Sharon Lois Purple sent me. But now with these other 5, that idea just got bigger. A lot bigger. And with the gradient things, the gradient cakes, I've got plenty of ideas. Just keep throwing them through my head. So be on the watch out for what I make with those, because that's going to be coming sometime soon. Now the other thing that I got, it's a big one. It's a big Herner's box. Let me get this one out of the way and I'll show you how big. This big. That's the Herner's box. It's big. So let me set it down and we're going to go through it. Okay. Oh, it's got some good yarns in it. I can guarantee you this. Okay. And it is packed literally to the brim. Alright, so you know that new Afghan retro yarn that Herner's came out with? Well, I got 4 orange, and it is a 2/8. If I can grab a piece to show you. It is a 2/8. And 4 of these colors. Which is... It is 100% acrylic. This colorway is called... I have no idea. Where's the color? Rust. Alright, so there's 4 of those. And then there's 4 of this color. Sunflower. 4. And then there's 4 of this color, which is called avocado. They're all the same. They're a 2/8. So I'm already getting like a retro shawl in Tunisian in my head. And then there are little box fuzz. Then there's 4 of this color, which is called clear water. And then there's more. 4 of this color, which is called Coral Crush. Oh my goodness. I don't know where I'm going to pack all this because this is a lot. So there are 4 of these color called Cerulean. This is a lot. And we're not done. 4 of these colors called Vintage Violet. And it's not coming right about here is about as good as about almost true to life color. Close enough. And then there's more. There's, if I can grab them all 4 of these called Buttercream. That is a lot, and I could probably make a couple of vintage or 2 shawls out of this. That'll be awesome. Now the other stuff is somebody who has been paying attention to my lives, because there was one point a week or 2, maybe 3 weeks ago, I mentioned how I'm looking for some neons, and I can't. The packs that Herner's had was always out of stock. I didn't know they sold them individual. I didn't know. I don't search Herner's because I really don't shop at Herner's, because I shop at Joann's. I'm a big twist junkie. What can I say? Oh, by the way, these are very, very soft. Every one that I picked up is just super soft. So, what I mean by somebody like they've been paying attention is because it looks like they gave me 3 of each one. So I got 3 of these. This is called Laser Lemon. These are a 4-weight. And it's acrylic. 489 yards. 489 yards. This is a lot right here. This is over 1,200 right here. But wait, there's more. I'm going to try to get all the same colors. There's 3 of these. And this colorway is called Luminescent Lime. And that is not doing it justice. But it is bright. And they're all soft. Like very, very soft. And it has an easy start. I didn't know that because, me and Joann's. And then, let's see if I'm trying to get all the same colors together. Yes, no, yeah, no. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure everything's together. No. Okay. Yes, and aha, there it is. Then there's 3 of these called Neon Lights. Like the projects I'm already having in my head is going to be awesome. Then there's 3. I'm trying to get the color name first. 3 of these, and it's called Electricity. And the lighting is not doing these justice. They're a lot brighter than they come across. This is just wow. That's already multiple projects right there I can do in Tunisian. Really, really beautiful multiple projects. And then there's 3 of these, which is called Fluorescent. And like I said, the camera is not doing it justice one bit. These are beautiful. And then can't grab it. It keeps falling out of my hand. 3 of this. And this colorway is called Vegas. And I'm telling you, the lighting is not doing any justice. The camera is not doing justice to these. They are a lot more vibrant in life than they are on this camera. We're getting to similar colors now. Wow, I cannot believe all this. This one's called Sassy Scarlet. And again, they are a 4-weight and 489 yards or 448 meters. And they're saying a 4-hook or size I-9 hook. Yeah, size I-9. Which that's, I don't remember off the top of my head. And then, what is this? And this? Okay, these 3. It's kind of hard to tell some of these colors apart. And this is called Crazy Coral. Like, this is a lot. I mean, the projects I can do out of this, it's going to be amazing and bright and vivid. This one, Wild Watermelon. It has more of a, I don't know, it's just not coming across well. Like, it's bright, but it has more of a watermelon color to it than what it's showing. But it is very bright and beautiful. I'm enjoying these. Let's see. And then these. Oh, what the heck happened here? Did I pick one up that I shouldn't have? Crazy Coral. Crazy. Ah, I know which one it is. Oh. Well. They sent me another 4 Crazy Coral. And 2 Outrageous Orange. And it is outrageous. And then we're almost done. 3 Proton Purple. Like, wow. And then, now this is the last 4 of these Brilliant Blues. They smell good. They do have a little bit of a buzz to them. So they're going to be a peeling yarn. They're not anti-peeling. But besides the fact that this was all just out of the blue given to me, this is amazing. I know I'm going to have so many projects going that I can make out of this stuff. It's phenomenal. And especially with this Afghan vintage retro Afghan yarn, that's awesome. There's so much that I can do. And whoever sent that to me, thank you. Like, from the bottom of my heart, really, thank you. I never expect to receive gifts or even, gifts this large either. I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And with that being said, next week will be a tutorial video. It should be an easy make. And then whatnot. I'm going to be working on a bod shirt conversion, making it in Tunisian, also filming it, because I've got the watermelon, I got a bag done. I've got a beanie done for tutorials. So that's my next thing, and I'm pretty good on tutorials for a little bit, so I could get that shirt done. So I am going to end this video. I want to thank you all for being here and continuously watching me. I don't really show off yarns all that much because I'm not that type of channel. I am a tutorial channel, but you guys sitting here that come and watch me all the time it's phenomenal. And watching the lives that I do, I really, really appreciate it a lot. But with that being said, I hope you all have a great weekend. Hope you all had a great holiday. And keep stitching.